Hey everyone, today we are making Dubai viral lachha paratha smash burger. Let's prepare the patties first. Take the mince and add paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper and mix it well together. Believe me, this dish is becoming my kids' favorite meal of the day. Once the mince is mixed, then make meatballs of it and then keep it aside. Alright, for the classic burger sauce, please check out our blog www.foodvlove.com for the complete recipe. For the parathas also, the dough recipe is on the blog. Once the dough is ready, make small balls, flatten it, apply some oil, cut it with the help of a pizza cutter, make as thin slices as possible, roll it, spiral it, and turn it into inside. Then flatten the parathas with your hands and put it on a hot skillet to cook from both sides by applying oil. Now let's cook the patties. You can flatten the patties with the help of a spatula and butter pepper on the hot skillet and then fry it from both sides until golden brown. Put the cheese slices on top of the patties and let it melt a little. Once the cheese is melted, then you can assemble the parathas. Cut the parathas from the center, apply the burger sauce, and put the burger patty in it. Alright, so your smash burger viral Dubai lachha paratha is ready.